The Goldfish. Once upon a time, in a little house by the sea, there lived a girl named Sarah. Sarah had a fish tank, and in that tank, there was a very special goldfish. The goldfish was named Goldie, and he was not an ordinary fish. He had bright, shiny scales that glittered like gold. Goldie was very small but oh so beautiful. Every day, Sarah would feed Goldie and talk to him. She told Goldie about her day and her dreams. Goldie listened with his bright, round eyes. One day, Sarah accidentally dropped her necklace into the water. The necklace was a gift from her grandmother. Goldie saw the necklace and knew it was important to Sarah. With a flick of his golden tail, he swam over to the necklace. He picked it up with his tiny mouth and placed it on a pebble in the tank. Sarah was surprised and delighted to see her necklace safely waiting for her. She smiled at Goldie and said,
"You're a very clever goldfish."
From that day on, Sarah and Goldie became even closer friends. They shared secrets, dreams, and little moments of joy. Goldie was more than a goldfish. He was a golden friend.